I'm pushing the Mark 1 forward, and then I'm going to move the blue Mark 1, and I'm going to reverse the Citroen out because I must quickly go to Joburg. I'm returning back home now on N17. I was quickly in Joburg. They'll say, so I must install a switch for my electric fan. I was this morning to Joburg and the car overheated because I couldn't put on the fan in the traffic. I have this toggle switch on the Mark 1, it must be a press button. I bought the press button, so I'm going to take out the toggle switch for the fan on the Citroen. The press button that must go in place of the toggle switch. It's fitted and it works, so yes. Let's quickly draw the zonder beaker that I can fit this button. It's fitted, let's go fit it in the Mark 1. It broke when I pressed it, so I'm quickly going to town. I only have those, so I'm going to order from Takealot.